Hello everyone, welcome to Spoken Joy. My name is Rajat and today we are going to practice very simple English about daily routine. This helps you speak confidently from day one. Speak loudly with me. Repeat every sentence after I say it. Ready? Let's begin. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I like bread and eggs for breakfast. I drink coffee. Coffee is my favorite. I check my phone. I go to school at 8:30. I take the bus. I talk to my friends. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. I like rice and chicken. In the afternoon, I come home. I do my homework. I watch YouTube videos in English. I cook dinner with my family. In the evening, I relax. I listen to music. I go to bed at 11 o'clock. Good night. Thanks for watching.